Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to pay bills online with Twoguysfinance. All right, it's gonna be a really quick video. We're not gonna waste any time at all, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Twoguysfinance account. You can log in on the online website, or you could choose to log in on the mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to select the account that you want to pay bills from, and then you're going to add a new payee, or you can select an existing one, assuming of course that you've made payments, bill payments before. And once that's done, just enter the payment amount as well as the due date for the payment. And then you're going to need to review the payment details once again, just to make sure everything is accurate, and if it is, just go ahead and confirm. And then you're going to receive a confirmation of the payment once it is made. Now you also want to make sure that you verify the payment in your account, and if you want, you can set up recurring payments for the future, and that's going to help you to make recurring payments without having to worry about stuff. Of course, that's if the bill is a recurring type. Just go ahead and set up recurring payments, and that's going to take care of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to pay bills online with Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys